Okay, we've just concluded one of the sessions here, the breakaway sessions, and Dr. Hassina Kajee was addressing the audience, and she's going to chat to us about her presentation. Dr. Hassina, Jazakallah khairan, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Barakallah fi.
Two things you spoke about, over nutrient supply, and the other one's insulin triggers. If you can just briefly speak to our listeners about that.
Yeah, so I was talking about, if you follow the Sunnah, we are taught to eat in moderation. We are taught to eat less. We are taught to eat of the pure foods. And in the modern era, we eat too much. When you look at the processed food, it's just too many calories, and those calories are not inert. They are causing disease. They stimulate the body. They overwork all of the components of the body, and they result in widespread destruction and inflammation and destruction of our own bodily structures and arrest of those bodily structures. And that is what is making us sick. So my message to the Ummah is to eat of the pure food that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has provided for us. Food is delicious. We make, Muslim people, we make very delicious food. We love our food. But it can be a sin because it can arrest that one organ. It can cause gluttony. And so we must be very strong to choose the pure food and to stop before we are full so that we can experience that hunger that Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us about.
And some of the insulin triggers that you spoke about.
Yes, so the root cause of the disease we're facing with, obesity-related diseases, metabolic syndrome, hypertension, diabetes, heart attacks, the root cause of all of that is that we are triggering insulin. So all of these, these foods that we are boycotting at the moment, all of the companies we're boycotting, all of those things, they trigger our insulin. But the main one is food, but there are other things like sleep deprivation, poor relationships, stress, chronic stress, even actually over a sedentary lifestyle as well as too hectic of a lifestyle. Those are all triggers for insulin release.